Babies and parents. Focus question. Do babies look the same as their parents? Babies are living things. They eat food to get energy. Baby animals grow up to be adult. Baby animals have parents. How are baby animals and their parents alike? How are they different? They are scorpion with babies on its back, need a clownfish and need eat baby. Many babies look a lot like their parents. The babies are also different in some way. They are lion and cat. They are lizard and baby. This baby had a long snout and long tail. So does its parent. This baby had a spot on its fur. The spot have it hide from other animals. Its parent do not have spots. How is it kitten like the mother? How are they different? Are they different as they are alive? These baby birds look like their parents. They all have beak, but they have different colors. Some babies look very different from their parents. They grow a long time to look like their parents. They are tadpole and then it become frog. They are baby, they are adult. Baby animals grow up. They will become adult. Then they might have baby too. Be a scientist. Ask your teacher for picture. A baby and adult animal. Look closely at each picture. Is baby or an adult? How can you tell? Beyond the book. Visit the zoo has a baby animal. Compare the baby to the parent. Baba trees. Focus question. How do bark trees help other living things? Very old tree. Baobab trees are living things. They are plants. Some parts of Africa have baobab trees. These trees can live for a long time. What do baobab trees need? Like all plants, baobab trees need water, light, and air. They root taking water from the soil. Their leaves take in light and air. This how baobab trees grow to big and strong. Large chunk. A baobab tree grows from a seed. The young tree is small and thin. Over time, it grows and grows. The tree will become very thick. Water. An adult baobab tree can hold up 15 bathtubs full of water. Hollow homes. A baobab tree can be hollow. It can have an open space inside a trunk. The tree can become hollow as it grows older. Sometimes animals live inside the tree. Do you know people can also feed inside the hollow part of the baobab? In the branches, many living things find a home on the outside of the tree. Birds make nests on the branch. The branches have many tiny holes. Small animals find a place to live in this hole. Tree visitor. Many animals visit the baobab tree. Birds sit inside the tree to see far away. Elephants eat the leaf and get water from the trunk. The tree gives animals shade from the hot sun. Smelly flower and furry fruit. Baobab have large white flower, but like the smell of the flower, they can come to bring the nectar inside. The flower turns into fruit. The fruit is furry. It has a lot of seeds inside. A new baobab tree. Many animals eat baobab fruit. The animal carries the seed to new places. The seeds start to grow in the ground. Soon there will be a baobab tree. Or is it a life cycle? Be a scientist. Make a model of baobab tree. Choose their own material. You might use paper, clay, and other art sprays. Show the part of the tree. Also show animals that live in or visit the tree. Beyond the book. Ask an adult to help you see the internet. Learn about another country, help animals get the things they need. Plastic. Focus question. Why do people use plastic? Plastic in your life. Take a look around you. Plastic is everywhere. People use plastic to make many different things. All these things are made of plastic. Living or not, plastic is not a living thing. Living thing can make more living things. Plastic does not make more plastic. People make plastic. They make different material together. Do you know many computer parts are made of plastic? Different shape. One plastic is made, people turn it into different shape. Then we can use the plastic for many things. This is a step to make a plastic. Toy everywhere. Lots of fun toys are made of plastic. Plastic comes in many different colors. What color is your favorite plastic toy? Thin and stretchy. Plastic can be thin. It can also be stretchy. Imagine going on a picnic. You can put your sandwich in a small plastic bag. You can shake thin over fruit. Your snack might come a thin plastic wrapper. Squid label. Plastic bottle can hold different liquids. Squid is a bottle. The liquid comes out. If you drop this plastics, it will not break. Hard and strong. Plastic can be hard and strong. The plastic does not crack. If you squeeze it, the shape stays in the same. Plastic pen is stronger than a pencil. Remote control made of plastic. The handle of the toothbrush is made of plastic too. Earth friendly. People eat a lot of plastic, then they throw away a lot of it away. Instead, we can eat plastic again. We can also recycle it. To recycle means to turn it into something new. Tree charge make the earth new, cleaner, and place to live. Let's charge make the earth a cleaner place to live. Be an engineer. Now that you have it about plastic, pick a common plastic object. Explain what it is used for. Then think of the least three new ways to could you see the object. Now pick one of your idea and shape. Write about how well the object works for this new task. Ask an adult to help you see the internet. Find out how your favorite plastic objects are made. Wonderful water. What is water and what can it do? Is water alive? Living thing change. So does mean water is a living thing? No, water is a non-living thing. Water cannot make more of itself. Also, water is not made of cells. Water for living thing. Living grows. They also make more of their own kinds. Living need water to do this thing. Let's find out what makes water so special. Do you know, more than half a body is made of water. It's 70%. Plants need water so they can make their own food and grow taller. Solid, liquid, and gas. Everything you see is either a solid, liquid, or gas. Toy or solid. Milk is a liquid. The air in the balloon is a gas. Water can be solid, liquid, or gas. Changing water. Water is a solid when it ice. Water can also be a gas. If you warm up ice, it melts. Now you have liquid water. If you warm up the liquid water, it turns into a gas. Now you cannot see it. If liquid water gets very cold, it turns solid. Now you have ice. Our air has water in it. The water is a gas. It turns into liquid when the air gets cold. Water makes clouds, rain, and snow. Liquid water. You use liquid water every day. You drink liquid water. Your family cook in the liquid water. Liquid water in your sink or bath helps you get clean. Sticky water. Try pouring water on something. You'll see little drops. This because water stick together. Tiny drop turn bigger drop. Some insects can walk on the top of water. The water holds them up. Math moment. 8 drops of water or on table. The three of them come together to make up one big drop. Now how many drops are on the table? Pass the salt. You can mix spring into water. If you put salt in water, it will mix together. Now you have salt water. You can mix sugar and lemon juice in water. Now you have lemonade. Water does so many wonderful things. There are lost salt water in the ocean water. Be a scientist. Try some tests to see what floats in water. Fill a cup with water. Drop a paper or clip on the water. Does it float or sink? Next, put the paper clip on top of a piece of paper towel. Place both of them gently on top of the water. Do they float or sink? Now slowly pull out the water towel. Does the paper clip float or sink? Try putting other small things in water. Which one's flat and which one sink? Beyond the book. Visit an outdoor area with water. All the living things are in or near the water.